Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of JASMY was rejected by the resistance of the channel and it was moving down to the support. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that finally the price and it's dropped down at the support of the channel. In fact, we had a long spike up to this next long-term support of 1.92 cents. That is a quite long-term support. Recently, it was also working as a support here, resistance here. Now again, it worked as a nice support in the price, and after testing the support geared up and still moving inside this channel, you can see that still it is moving at the support of the channel. At the same time, it's also moving at this uptrend line support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from here, from the month of October 2023. We had a nice bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now the price end is once again dropped at this support. We had a long spike, but the price end could not break it down so far. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that the price of Jasmy has rallied more than 2,069%. It could not break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for PHB, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup, I shared almost 7 days ago with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this down channel. Because by the way, I entered the channel here on 8th of December 2024. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. And then we got another rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce. And now recently the pricing is once again rejected. And after the recent extreme sell-off, the pricing even dropped more than the support of this channel. And also for a while moved below this uptrend line support as well and touched this long-term support of 1.92 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.92 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks and resistance here as well. And here it was also breaking as support. And even recently, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and you can see that this 1.92 cents, this support has been breaking as a support here, resistance here, and for several days or weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And again, it worked as a very nice support, and the price and has now again re-entered the channel. If this time if it will hit the resistance, then it can hit the resistance of the channel here, approximately at 3.2 cents. But in case of breaking it out, the technical target will be again here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 cents to 6.1 cents, we have a very, very strong and long-term resistance on. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after this very, very massive rally from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, the price was rejected by this resistance, and previously it had been working as a resistance on here and support on here as well. Here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.